project to work on?
Well, I mean, it's important, you know, because like so much happened here, like actually in general, like South America, like deforestation, you know, cutting down trees and all that, you know, and it feels good, like morally, like feels good, like planting trees, helping the environment. People always talk about going green, but never really do much. This is, you know, some place, like somewhere.
This is doing it. We're doing it.
We're doing it. Yeah. People are cool, you know. It's beautiful out here, and I enjoy it.
So where are we right here, Blake? Can you explain where our location is and what sites we're working on and all that?
We are in pretty much, I mean, we're up a little bit from the a dry riverbed that's on there, but basically it used to be a flowing river until deforestation basically cut out all the shade and support for the, I guess, the ecosystem, and it just all dried up. So now what we're trying to do is plant some trees and get some shade over the water, over the riverbed, and
get
hopefully
it flowing again.
Yeah, it'll come back up flowing and support a healthy ecosystem.
You know, animals come in, you know, more of a variety. Just
attract the native animals back into the environment as well.
What animals do you guys either see out here, or do you see evidence of being out here since you've walked out here?
Deer. Yeah. Deer. There's been a lot of tracks.
There's a lot of insects, like a lot, like different varieties, like a lot of butterflies. You know, orange, white, yellow, red. You know, it's just.
And the fish living in the little bits of water that remains is pretty interesting. Little like minnow sort of things, but they look a little different. But besides that, lots of lizards. There's lots of lizards and spiders.
Spiders, yeah. Tarantulas.
And so there's some pretty cool birds and like.
Yeah. A lot of like the beak shape is so much different than like North American.
Huge.
It's like, I guess, like, for a lot of nuts, you know.
Yeah.
Darwin's theory proved.
Yeah. But it's definitely magnificent. Very pretty.
So should we just continue up here to the top of this little farm right here? This is Ramon's dad's farm back here. Interior, got corn planted on the sides here. It's a nice little lookout from up here. It shows the context of the area. Check it out.
See how they end up sustainable farming? It's like his main thing.
His dad or Ramon?
Well, yeah, Ramon.
I mean, they're into it. It's like he described to us when we were talking to him. Like, first his like great grandpa was here and like clear cut everything. Then his dad was selling wood too, and paying people to plant it and then to sell that when they grew up. But that now the mentality has kind of changed a little bit.
Well, it's like the old school like way of thinking. Because like I know my grandparents and my dad's like in where they're from, and they would like do a lot of, you know, growing beans, growing corn, you know, just going out for like days at a time and just taking care of it.
But I mean, it's what you gotta do for survival. This is crazy.
Kind of comes off the roof and drips down right there.
And what are these
I think those are peanuts.
Oh, nice. That peanut butter we have is pretty fun.
I'm not sure though. They might be
like a little spice to it.
they're definitely like some type of like bean or something. Nut. Bean.